So somewhat on a whim, I decided to go and set up and do some raw motor airflow and suction tests. So I've seen this brand of motor before. I hope you can see that right there. We have Ningbo Dechang Electrical, 12.5 amps. So it looks like it was made in 2015. And let's see how good this motor is. And by the way, I use this setup right here with my old GM 8901 because this is the adapter that I currently have that fits that anemometer perfectly. I don't know why I bother to check these things sometimes, because I always find out that, I could do just a little better job by replacing more bearings. So upon a closer inspection of this brush roll, it spins freely all right, but if you really examine it closely, and I go and put this R42RS bearing on it and spin it just even in my hand, it kind of spins like there's sand in it or little rocks. It's like, oh, that's not good. So both of them on both ends are that way. And I'm like, well, I get a 10-pack of these things for, I just checked on eBay, about $7. So I've used a few of them, and they're fairly common, this Penguin brand right here. And when I go and I put a new fresh one on, oh, no noise, completely smooth and quiet, just wonderful. So for $1.40, I will go and put 2 new ones on. Still have to pull that one off yet. And I'll take the old ones and just toss them. You could try to rebuild them if you wanted to, but if there was a significant amount of damage, they still won't spin very well. So 70 cents aside, and I can put this thing all back together and know that the brush roll will be in fantastic shape. Want to see, or I mean hear, an example of a brush roll in which the bearings have no grease left in them at all, and it's complete metal to metal contact? This brush roll is from my Windtunnel Max, and the bearings in here need to be replaced. They are totally gone. Here, I'll just do this. Hear that noise? It's just awful. Yep, no bearing grease at all in this one. And by the way, that's a slightly longer brush roll. 2 brush roll bearings, 1 belt, a heavy cleaning and deodorizing. There's always a heavy cleaning and a deodorizing. And patching 3 holes in the nozzle feed tube. And we have a machine that works just fine as far as I can tell. Let's take it for a test run. Well, brush roll obviously must be working because it's picking up carpet. And there we go. We have struck carpet, to be sure. That's just carpet. So let's see how the cord rewind does. We'll give it a fair chance. I'll stretch it out a bit here. All right. Let's see how well it works. Yep, that passes. Okay, so stay tuned for obviously a bunch of various test benchmarks and stuff like that with this particular machine. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.